right, guys, Tommy with Monts Family Homestead. Well, guys, we dodged another storm last night. Y'all stay right there. Just stay right there. We got to keep these rascals in. We had, I don't know how much rain last night. West of us, east of us, there were tornadoes and everything else. I actually put them in here just to give them a little more shelter. What in the world have y'all? Man, I hear a bunch of geese. I better know if I can get those in a shot or not. I hear them. There they go. Oh, well, missed them. But anyway, boys and girls, how are you all this morning? Y'all fare well last night? So I see somebody. Oh, this is great. This is just great. Somebody has got up here and turned the chicken food over. Wonder who that would be. Probably the one with the swelled belly this morning. Well, let me see what we can do with this ordeal. Well, I tried to put this up here where they wouldn't get around the chickens and all, but that didn't work very well. They just knocked it down. Maybe y'all need to go back outside and just hang out in the weather. How about that? Chickens have grown, y'all. All right. I can't pick all this stuff up. And I can pick this up anyway, but yeah, I hear you. Oh, man. All right, let's get this kind of cleaned up and we'll get back. Well, that's got them fixed back up there a little. Got their water and all fixed back. Yeah, we're just gonna have to get these birds out of here. I'm talking about this week, before the weekend anyway. So, which one of y'all, and what I did was I had this chicken food laying right here. You can't see. Shoot. Anyway, laying right there on top of the hay, where I could just go over and get chicken food, put it back in their feeder. But somebody pulled it down, got in between the 2x6s, pulled it down, dumped it out, and then it was lying right over here in the dark, which I put it over there out of the way. I'm pretty sure it was you, because you're taller than he is. What y'all doing? Hearing noises outside and come in here. Y'all just perfectly content now. I don't know about that. I think y'all, aha, that's what I'm hearing. Leave your mama alone, let her eat. All right, got them back outside, finally. They like to come out and run around and kick up their heels and do this and that. So we got them back in their pen. So I'm still thinking that one right there is the one that made the mess in the chicken food. Let's run in here and see how everything is going. Alrighty. Now y'all, I've got to be honest with you. Let's start with the easiest first. Greens are doing good. Carrots are doing good. I'll get to that in just a minute. Broccoli and cauliflower are doing good. I just repotted three tomato plants, and these are still coming along, so I'll give them, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 more days, and we'll stick those in, repot those. Squash is still kind of, I don't know, I may have to look at it a little bit. Anyway, you see these, and this one, and this one. 8 weeks ago, 7.5, 8 weeks ago, I planted just some Irish potatoes, red potatoes, in here just to try them in the greenhouse. Well, they decided to show themselves about 4 or 5 days ago. And I thought they had just rotted in there, and I'm not gonna worry about 3 little pieces of potatoes. But I guess I was wrong. So anyway, that's how our greenhouse is going. I say greenhouse, hoop house. Morning. Good morning. Yeah. Oreo and Lily. Come on. Let's get y'all some stuff going on too this morning. Yep. Well, right here we'll check let's just feed everybody right quick. Alrighty this morning. Get 1 scoop for the rabbit. Just about out of rabbit food. 1 scoop for the rabbit. And we got some goat food. Let's go feed the goats first. Goats and the rabbit. What y'all doing? Huh? Raven and Zeus. All you gotta do is mention his name. That's if you know him and he knows you. Otherwise, you will be losing a leg. I kid you not. All right, let's go feed them. All right, little quail, how y'all this morning? Yeah, all right. Y'all ready to eat too, I see. Mm-hmm. And how are you, Daisy? Good morning to you. Yes, good morning to you. Let's get you all opened up and fed this morning. Pretty little girl. There we go. Ooh, man, we had rain last night. Gee whiz. Yeah, Oreo, I agree, buddy. It was nasty. A lot of other people had storms over in Winfield, Alabama. And I hadn't really looked at the news this morning. All right. Let's get y'all done. Zeus, buddy, calm down. Hey, calm down. All right, there y'all go. Zeus, Zeus. No. 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 Y'all see him licking his chops. Going back up there. Come on. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. All right, that's got Lily and Oreo. That's got them fixed up. All right. All righty. Yeah, look at them dudes. They are ready to eat. Uh-oh, had a limb fall on the fence. Get that off of there. By the way, this isn't my son's house. He has to be at work. Well, this morning, 6 o'clock, and then in the morning, 6 o'clock too, so I'm off. So I get to take care of his animals, which is fine. Y'all ever have trouble in the morning with your fingers working? Wow. I don't know why that did that. All right, little girls. We're gonna have to get y'all some hay in here. Oh, your feet, you, Holly. Excuse me. How in the world did we get water in there? No. I got to fix y'all a different feeder. There we go. All right, that'll take care of y'all this morning. We'll see y'all this afternoon. Zeus, y'all see what he did? Zeus, go back around yonder. Go. He thinks he's hiding. I swear. Oh, I don't know. 3 or 4 videos ago, y'all got, that's where he goes and hides back there, back under the coop. He thinks he's hiding. Yeah, not too big of a limb, just bigger than what I thought it was. I must have fell out of that tree or somewhere last night. Ow, golly. All right. All right, guys. Just a quick. That tree right there is dead. We gotta cut that dude down. Anyway, just a quick. Oh, by the way, my wife don't like it, so it's growing back. One more time. Just a quick check on the animals this morning. I'm having to watch where I'm going because it is marshy, mushy, soggy, whatever. So, what's wrong with you, Raven? Thank you for watching Monts Family Homestead. Hey, Happy New Year to you. God bless you. Make Christ number 1 in your life this coming year. Well, January the 2nd, 2022. 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Something a little different in Mississippi. Well, it was actually 77 degrees yesterday. And right now it's 32. They say this is going to keep going for about another hour and a half or so. Roads are not bad, cars are going by. But the bridges and overpasses will probably be a mess first thing in the morning. Oh well, just another day in Mississippi. Another night in Mississippi.